Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading stock OTCs on the platform here utilizing two indicators. All right, so when you click on the indicator icon, the first indicator is known as the RSI, Relative Strength Index indicator. And the second indicator is the momentum indicator. All right. So when you click on the indicator settings for the RSI, I've set the period to 7. And in the style settings, I've disabled the 70 and the 30 line here, which is set in the default settings. So we're going to disable the 70 and the 30 and maintain the 50 line. And then I've increased the pixels to 3 pixels white. Okay. So this line here, this is the 50 line, the white line on the RSI. All right, for the momentum indicator, I've also set the period to 7. And in the style settings, when we click on the main line here, I've set the pixels to 3 pixels. And instead of the histogram, we're going to be using the regular line here. Okay, all right. Save the settings. And for my candlestick chart, I've set them to regular 1-minute Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our first setup. Okay, so I'm on Coinbase Global here, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is the RSI line, the green RSI line, crossed below the 50 line on the indicator here. And secondly, if you notice the momentum indicator, it's sloping. It started sloping in a downward direction here and just crossed below the 100 line on the indicator chart. So this suggests to me that there's a a bearish momentum to the downside occurring here. So we're going to monitor this trade for the next 60 seconds and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on ExxonMobil, and I just took a sell trade or a put trade here. And the reason why I took the put trade, the sell trade, is similarly to the previous trade. I waited for the RSI line to cross below the 50 line here, which it just did. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping direction, and it just also crossed the 100 line here, which suggests that there is a bearish momentum to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Boeing Company, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is similarly to the previous trades. Uh, I waited for the green line on the green RSI line to cross below the 50 line. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a general downward sloping direction, even though, okay, just retraced back a little bit here. But this suggests that there's going to be a continued downward bearish momentum here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Soon as that RSI line crossed below the 50 line, that's the first trigger here. Okay, so we won that trade also. Okay, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Visa and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is if you notice the RSI indicator just crossed over the 50 line here. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing an upward sloping line here in the up direction here. So both RSI and momentum indicator are both showing positive sloping directions here. So this suggests that there's going to be a bullish momentum to the upside over the next 60 seconds. And so let's wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So I'm going to end the trading session here. We did extremely well. This is an extremely powerful strategy that I've been using over the past few days. If you like the strategy, please give it a thumbs up. Share the strategy. You can also comment and tell me what you think about the strategy in the comments. If you're interested in trading this strategy or any of my other strategies, I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Okay. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.